Welcome back with us. So it's day 13 of our 30-day wave journey, and today we are going to be doing our wash and style method again. Yeah, so let's get to it.
Start by scramble washing your hair with shampoo to get off the products applied from the morning routine yesterday.
Then you want to add a little bit more shampoo to create enough lather.
Get into the brushing session. Do this for about 10 minutes.
So we are done with our brushing session. We want to put on our durag.
Rinse off the shampoo with enough water.
So you can add a little bit of Dermatol or an essential oil when your hair dries out a bit, so as to avoid dandruff.